Thanks for joining us 5 on your side weather. We have a winter weather advisory until 6 a.m. for St. Louis metro areas west of St. Louis. That advisory will be enforced a little bit longer. Point is, though, the bulk of the precip has moved out of St. Louis. We will still deal with some showers and drizzle for the next few hours. That should linger through mid-morning. Even some fog, cloudy skies, temperatures above freezing, and that's key as we will melt that slushy snow we have out there, and we'll end up in the 40s later this afternoon with maybe a couple hints of sunshine. There's our futurecast, and a couple sprinkles or shower through the morning commute. We'll keep that going through about 9-10 in the morning before that southerly breeze starts to kick in and really bring in some warmer air. We end up in the 40s with that west-southwesterly kicking up this afternoon, and maybe, just maybe, a little bit of sunshine towards 4 or 5 o'clock before the sun sets. It's cold tonight with partial clearing, and then tomorrow clouds return. We become mostly cloudy. Highs will actually be a little bit warmer, maybe into the middle 40s. Our computer's suggesting upper 40s, but I'm going with 45 for tomorrow, and then closer to 50 on Friday with the chance for an afternoon shower or maybe even a thunder shower. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible on Saturday, especially later in the day, and some of those storms may be on the stronger side. It's mild and windy on Saturday and breezy and cooler on Sunday.